Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Trading Channel. My name's Greg and today we're going to take a look at the Swiss franc Japanese yen. So at the start of the year we had this flash crash. We've popped back up and we've just kind of been floating around. In here we've got this reasonably key level, so it's held up quite well and we have recently breached it and held above it. If we drop down to the 60, you can see we've got this higher low here, and we've put in a couple of nice legs to the upside. Now we are just sort of basing in with some structure above this key level. Call it a channel, call it a flag, call it what you will. The most sensible place for stops was going to be down here. It's below this outside return. But you and I both know there will be plenty of retail traders positioning their stops under here. So what am I expecting from this pair? Well, this channel may continue, but essentially what I would like to see is for it to come back down, take out all these stops, tag this key level, and look to reverse higher. Now, we may get down here and we may go sideways for a little bit. That's even better. That's more fuel for the fire. And we may get a dip down and a pop back up and a push down and a failure. All of this constitutes more stops. Obviously, if we get this break, you'll have breakout traders. If we get the retracement, you'll get the retracement traders, and this all adds fuel to the fire. So targets, you might be wondering, well, I'll leave targets up to you. Certainly wouldn't be a bad shout, maybe take some profit at the top of the channel, but essentially I will be looking a little bit further up. Once we break that top, there's a nice key level just in here. Oh, fat fingers. And this actually goes back a little bit further if you drag it to the left to give you an idea of its history. So that's what I'll be looking at. This is certainly something that would pique my interest, and I'd like to see this play out so I can get involved. Anyway traders, I hope you found this sort of content informative. If you did, please give it a like, give it a share. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and as always, don't forget to trade safe.